Hello, in front of me I've got Huawei Mate 10 Pro. In this video I'll show you how to manage Google Pay app. In the beginning, download Google Pay and open it. Tap Get Started. And now, let's reset the app. Open it again, because the interface has changed, as you can see. Now, if you tap on this button, you can add payment method. And in here you can add different types of cards like loyalty, gift card and public transport. If you tap here, you got access to all your payment methods, list of participating banks, your full activity, settings where you can turn on or off email updates, Gmail imports, personalization within Google Pay, purchase notifications, updates about your passes, and offers and tips. Also, you can edit your account info. Next, you can enter Contactless Setup, where you can check if NFC is on. You can set Google Pay as default, set a payment method, and see settings of your security. Then we've got help and support, send feedback, and if you tap right here, you got access to your Google account. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.